A humanitarian crisis is around the corner for Arizona. That's according to a University of Arizona professor who compiles weekly COVID-19 modeling reports. He notes trends are heading in the wrong direction. ABC 15's Mike Pelton joining us live now. And Mike, those on the front lines are certainly feeling that uptick at our hospitals.
Yeah, and we talked with one of the head nurses here at Valleywise Health who says what started as a steady incline really ramping up over the past 5 days. She says they're seeing sicker COVID-19 patients and more of them.
It's busy, it's hectic, it's crazy. I don't know what other words to use to describe it.
Heather Jordan is Vice President of Acute and Emergency Services at Valleywise Health.
Very busy. I think you would see staff trying to put a smile on their face despite everything that's going on and trying to remain positive, but definitely facing a challenge every day and just trying to do the best they can.
Similar stories coming from hospitals around the state. In his weekly COVID-19 modeling report, University of Arizona Associate Professor Dr. Joe Gerald writing, quote, "We have now all but locked in a major humanitarian crisis during the Christmas to New Year holiday, with hundreds of preventable deaths per week." Also writing, the death toll will exceed 500 people a week by Christmas, based on a case fatality rate around 1.5%. At Valleywise, Heather tells me nurses often see patients who lose the fight.
Unfortunately, sometimes it could be 4 or 5 patients in a day. We've had nurses who have lost 4 or 5 patients in a week when they're working, in their 3 consecutive shifts.
And consider the toll that takes on those on the front lines.
I probably have personally experienced every emotion possible through this pandemic. We've definitely celebrated our happy times and our successes, but you can get tired and frustrated and down and everything in between.
And as of today, Valleywise Health has 74 COVID patients, and Heather tells me staffing is their biggest challenge. We're live in Phoenix tonight. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.